Okay, so crypto prices are staying weak because the market is pricing in a 43% probability of a Fed cut on 12/10 versus a 100% probability in late October. So the probability of a Fed rate cut in December is plummeting, meaning the market's no longer expecting the Federal Reserve to cut rates. So that is why markets are so weak. Liquidity is tightening. Now, that can change very quickly, just like it changed quickly to the downside, it can change to the upside. It just means a little more short-term pain, but if you want to make life-changing returns, selling a mega trend because this happens makes zero sense. What matters is the long-term fundamentals and the adoption of these assets. Here's one example of what is going on. This is an analyst at Bloomberg, just checked, and the Bitcoin ETF of BlackRock is now Harvard University's largest position in its 13F. So iShares Bitcoin is $442 million in the Harvard Investment Endowment Fund. Microsoft, number 2 at $322 million. That's how much Harvard believes in Bitcoin. What happens when every university follows Harvard's lead and starts stacking Bitcoin? Countries, companies, institutions, they believe in it more than any big tech asset. Then we have this from Aerodrome. So this is what comes next for Aerodrome. Aero is designed to power all DeFi. What's going to happen is they're concentrating the full power of Aerodrome and Velodrome. They're combining them into one token. So they want to create a cross-chain DeFi platform. No longer will Velodrome be isolated to Optimism and Aerodrome isolated to Base. They're combining them into one token that's supposed to dominate across all chains. Aerodrome dominates on Base, Velodrome dominates on Optimism. So there's going to be a new token. This is how the distribution is going to work. Existing Aero holders will receive 95% of the new Aero token supply. Existing Velo holders will receive 5.5% of the new Aero token supply. So this token could expand throughout the crypto ecosystem and continue its dominance. The reason it's dominating is because the incentives are so aligned. All revenue is paid out directly to the token holders. So it's very pure DeFi. It's not like some other protocols that don't pay revenue to the token holders. Aerodrome pays everything just about to the token holders. So the income is ridiculous. The incentives are super positive for that asset. That is what's going on in this space.